Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered why fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt, or kombucha have become the stars of healthy diets? Today, we're going to explore the amazing power of fermented foods, why they're important for gut health, and how to easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Don't miss a minute, because this information can help you improve your overall health starting today. Part 1. The importance of gut health. The gut is not just where food is digested, it's also the control center of your body's health. Inside your intestines lives a diverse community of microorganisms called the gut microbiome. These bacteria help digest food efficiently, produce vitamins like B12 and K2, regulate your immune system, protecting your body from disease. When your gut microbiome is in balance, you'll have energy, clear skin, and a clear mind. But if it's disrupted, you can experience a host of problems, from bloating, constipation, and chronic inflammation, to the risk of diseases like diabetes, obesity, and even mood disorders. Part 2. What are fermented foods? Fermented foods are foods created through a process called fermentation, in which bacteria or yeast convert sugars into lactic acid, carbon dioxide, or alcohol. This process not only naturally preserves the food, but also increases its nutritional content and creates beneficial bacteria, probiotics, that are good for your gut. Some common fermented foods you can easily find include yogurt, rich in calcium and probiotics, great for digestion; kimchi and sauerkraut, great sources of fiber and probiotics; kombucha, a fermented tea that boosts energy; miso and tempeh, fermented soy foods, rich in protein and antioxidants. These foods are not only delicious, but also act as natural medicine to support gut health and overall health. Part 3. The outstanding benefits of fermented foods. Fermented foods are truly the silent heroes of the diet. Let's see how they benefit your health. Improve digestion. Probiotics in fermented foods help balance the microbiome, reducing symptoms such as bloating and constipation. Boost immunity. A healthy digestive system helps the body fight off disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Better absorption of nutrients. Fermented foods improve the ability to absorb minerals and vitamins from food. Reduce inflammation. Studies show that probiotics in fermented foods have the ability to reduce inflammation, especially in people with chronic bowel diseases. Support weight control. Balancing the microbiome can help improve metabolism. Part 4. How to use fermented foods in your diet. Now let's look at how to incorporate fermented foods into your daily meals. Breakfast. Add yogurt and fresh fruit to start your day full of energy. Lunch. A little kimchi or sauerkraut as a side dish will add more flavor and nutrition to your meal. Dinner. Try a bowl of miso soup or grilled tempeh with vegetables. Drinks. Drink kombucha instead of soda for a delicious and healthy alternative. Start small and increase over time as your body adjusts to the change. Part 5. Notes when using fermented foods. Although fermented foods are very good, you also need to pay attention to the following. Choose natural products that do not contain too much sugar or preservatives. If you make fermented foods at home, make sure to clean them to avoid harmful bacteria. People with stomach problems or allergies should consult a doctor before using. Remember, using them properly will help you enjoy all the benefits that fermented foods bring. Thank you for watching until the end of today's video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below to share your favorite fermented foods or any questions you'd like us to answer. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.